Hi and welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham and I'm at the 2021 RIU Explorers Conference here in Fremantle. And today I managed to catch up with Ardiden Managing Director and CEO Rob Longley.
The Pickle Lake gold project is large, it's big, and we chipped off the first drill program at Casagiminas last summer. So we drilled just over 3,000 metres, hit gold in every hole. We got a much better understanding of the mineralisation structure there, and we're now into winter drilling at the second prospect, which is South Limb, but we'll be moving to Cass to do drilling on the lake within a couple of weeks, we hope. Well, because you can throw a stone across to a head frame and see an old gold mine, that's usually a good sign. And we've done some geophysics over that area, extensions of those iron formations that head south into our tenement. And we're just testing those, just testing 3 or 4 of them to see which ones are carrying the gold. And while we haven't got assays back yet, the geos are seeing a lot of pyrrhotite, which is associated with the gold at Donna Lake Gold Mine, and Metals Creek are next door drilling there. So we're sort of helping each other out in that region as well. It's good access. It's potentially year-round drilling there as a haul road comes off the main highway. But we're just trying to work out the structure there before we go full bottle with the drill program there. We've got orientated core, understanding the structures, so when we go back in again, we've got a much better sort of handle on the targets. Yes, well, we've got 20 drill targets coming up in the years ahead, but what we want to try and get to this year is just keep stepping out into our best prospects as we sort of rate them. And the one that we're really heading for is called Esker, which is up near the Gold Patricia mine in what we call our Western Hub. So that's probably 40 k's out from the main road, and there's a little bit of logistics and some First Nation talking to get that sorted, but that is a massive geophysical target that everyone says, when are you drilling there? So we've got to get there, but then we'll be on to our third one and we'll be moving through that Dorothy Dobie belt. So that's kind of what's exciting us all. All 100% owns our lithium stuff and our gold stuff. We've got one earn-in at Esker, but that's quite a soft earn-in, and we've got very good partners with that. So it's not a massive amount of cash or scrip, but they get $2 an ounce once we go into production or get a JORC resource. So a really good entry point from a well-reputed group on the new Patricia property. Everything else is 100% owned, so we can do it at our own pace or at the pace of the market sentiment. We hit gold, anomalous gold, 6 metres at 4.5 grams or something in a couple of holes, and we know where that structure's going, and it's heading straight under the lake, which is what we're trying to get onto over the next couple of weeks. Once they finish at South Limb, bring that rig across and chase it out onto an eastern extension which goes for a couple of k's, which hasn't been drilled. So that's exciting as well, right? Sport for choice, exactly. Thanks, Wally.